So it's snowed. Morning guys, morning. Oh, look at that sun. Not really feeling the warmth, but morning guys. Nice to see your warm smiles in this cold morning. So taking a flight, heading back to Florida. The cold is not for me, we know this, but the first hiccup of the day, I missed the train. The next train, I don't know if you guys can see the sign, the next train is not until 8:51, and it's now 8:58. It's 8:20. It's 8:20 now, and I missed that train by 1 minute. Like I was coming over the overhead, and the train stopped. By the time I was down, it left. This is not Jamaica, where the coaster man will wait on you because he needs that one extra passenger. The train leaves on time. So have a nice little wait, 30 minutes. I'ma just be catching some rest. Have a train to catch to LaGuardia. Taking public transportation to the airport is the worst, even when I leave out early. Alright, see you guys in a few. Made it on the train.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my main cabin door is closed. Everyone should be seated at this time.
Made it on the flight.
Seatbelt securely fast.
First time on a Southwest flight, and didn't know their seating arrangements. And you have to just get a seat based on the boarding group. So
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, main cabin door has been closed right now. Main cabin, everyone should be seated with their seatbelt securely fastened right now.
Can't get to watch the match, but I'll watch some live TV thanks to Southwest live TV app. So see you guys in Atlanta.
On behalf of Southwest Airlines, I'd like to welcome each and every one of you to Atlanta's Hartsfield Jackson International Airport. We ask you to remain seated with those seatbelts fastened.
Bye, thank you. Have a great one. Have a good day. You too, thanks. Alright, so just posted that vlog. Not my favorite vlog, but had to drop some. I've been dropping the vlogs very inconsistently to start the year. I said it in the New Year's Eve vlog, New Year's vlog. New Year's Day, New Year's Eve, New Year. I said it's in the 2020 New Year vlog. That start the year at the lowest point, and I essentially did start the year at my lowest point. So vlogging was very inconsistent, but getting back on it. Cool. On the way to Florida, had to stop in Atlanta. Had to de-dress because I had too many layers from New York, and I had to go in the bathroom and de-dress. Now I have on 2 socks instead of 3. New York was snowing, and took off 2 layers. So I'm a little warmer. Got time to kill, so I'm gonna watch NFL game and edit some more vlogs. So see you guys in Florida.
C1 through 30, go ahead and line up. Once again, take a look at your boarding pass. Take a look at the silver column. When you line up and it's done correctly, you'll be in numerical order.
I'm on that flight. So, how Southwest does it? Rude. How Southwest does it is they have section A, B, and C. A boards first, and pick and C the want, and B boards second, and pick and C the want, and C following. And they have those in different numbers. But when I saw the numbering system, I thought it was A to get, you know, the arrow, which is the window, and then so on and so on. But I guess it's based on how much you pay for a ticket. Because I'm in group C, didn't select a ticket, didn't select a seat, and based on that, so it was, you know, anyone pick any seat. When they get in the plane, they have one of the fastest boarding times, one of the fastest boarding times, which is crazy. You'd think that'd be a little chaos when everybody can just pick any seat they want, but no. When you select the seat that you want, you just go. Whatever is left is what's left, and you have to go around and say, "Oh, I have this seat on my ticket." So I think it's pretty ingenious. As a Jamaican, you know, when you there's a bomb rush to go into a bus and trying to get a seat, it's sometimes chaotic, but here it's organized chaos, if you want to put it that way. Can I sit there? Sure.
Please exit and follow signs. Baggage claim A. Remember, resort and other ground transportation options are on level 1.
Atlanta on Southwest Airlines, your next ride, carousel number 12.